So I've just got a couple of minutes. I'm just going to walk you through how to create a new record. So first of all, you're going to have your record, and we're going to call it student. And I'm going to say end record. To create a record, you have the record and you finish it with the end record. Give your record a name. Next thing I'm going to say is I might say name, string, age, integer, and you might have, let's go for school, go for another one, string again. Alright, what you need to do to use that record is you would need to go, first of all I'm going to create, I don't know, let's go Ray, alright, equals new student. In fact, I've done that wrong there, because I am using that. Right, so Ray is a new student. If I want to change the values, I can say Ray dot name is equal to Ray. Ray dot age is equal to 38. Ray dot school is equal to AGS. So that's as simple as that. All right, you have to create the new, use the record you've created, yeah. Then you declare each of the items that belong to it. So if it was a car, I'd go record car, all the different attributes of the car, end that. If I wanted to use it, then I'd say, I could say, I don't know, car 1 is new car, and then I'd say like car dot, I don't know, speed, car dot horsepower, that sort of thing. Alright, so that's just a quick whistle stop through that. Go back to the slides and make sure you are okay with that prior to your next assessment.